this is my Concept 2 rower, and I've made a completely separate video onto how to do maintenance on this thing. And as I just finished the video, what I noticed upon checkup is that the seat is broken. You see that crack? It also doesn't make a very good noise. Here we have a brand new seat and some new wheels. So let's check out how we can fix this and make it all awesome. So the first thing we're going to need to do is open up this leg here so that we can slide the seat out. So once you remove the 6 screws here, what you can do is open the leg assembly. Boom, like so. Now all you have to do is take this thing here and you can slide it right out, like so. So now that we have this seat taken off, what we need to do is we're going to keep this bracket here and these bolts. So we're going to have to loosen up these screws here and also these screws in order to get the new seat. So let's do all of that and I'll see you next. The problem with a cracked seat like this is that this is going to move. So one of the brackets is going to be like this and it's putting uneven tension on the monorail. So this is probably causing some damage to our monorail as well. But for now, it's all good. So we're just going to replace these thingies here. So why did we need to replace these ones with the new ones? Well, as you can see, this little guide here is a lot smaller than this one here. See? So there was some wear on one side, so we want to avoid that by using new ones. And oh wow, here you can see that even more. See the difference? Now unfortunately for me, I wasn't paying attention what orientation needed to be in there, but luckily for me as well, I filmed the whole process. So now all we gotta do is make sure that this knob here is on the front and that the hole here is in the back, just to let some gas out. Already you hear this is a lot smoother. Now all we have to do is close these things off and we're good. Boom, so there you have it. Everything is reconnected, reattached. We have a brand new seat that's already dirty. We have brand new wheels on the top side, which are more important. Now there's less wiggle room left to right, which is also very good for longevity. So the reason I wanted to make this video is to just show you how awesome Concept 2 is and how they provide you all the necessary tools and equipment just to make sure that the longevity of your Concept 2 rower is prolonged. I wish every company was just so straightforward as to how their product works so that everybody could just be awesome. Thanks so much for watching.